How to clean a shark floor nozzle, including this window, roller and brush. I have used electrical tape to cover up the vents to protect the electrical components. Remove the roller by pressing the eject button forward. Soak this in warm, soapy water. Then remove the sole plate using a coin to turn the locking screws. Pull off. Soak this too. Spray with any multi-purpose cleaner or a strong mix of washing up detergent. Get a small scrubbing brush or a thin paintbrush would work. Use this to brush away any dirt all over the floor nozzle. This works really well to clean the clear plastic window. Now the sole plate gets the same treatment. Spray and scrub. After this you can scrub the soft roller. Ideally use a toothbrush, but I didn't have one to hand. Now it is time to rinse everything. Remember to use as little water as possible. In hindsight, I may have used a drop too much on this one. Note to self, there is an electric motor inside. Oh, and another lesson. That scraping noise you just heard means I have scratched the floor head a little bit. Hopefully the wife won't notice. Look how clean it is now. It's important now to leave the floor head 24 hours to fully dry. This maybe should have been left longer. Now to test it.